Okay, to input a SIM card into your Redmi 13, first of all, you will have to grab your phone and you will have to prepare this SIM tool. You can find this SIM tool inside this box. Then the SIM slot is located on the left upper corner and you will have to input this inside like this. And now you have to just press on it gently. There we go. Now we can remove it. And right now we have to take it off. So we can use, for example, our fingernails and gently pull it towards us. As you can see here, I can also find my memory card, but I'm gonna remove it. And now I can input this SIM card into first slot like this, or I can just remove it and put it also right here. So in this smartphone, we can actually input 2 SIM cards. And now if I want to input it, I have to do this slowly, like this. Now I have to press it. And as you can see, it's finished. Now I can find PIN code for my SIM card, so I can input it. And as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.